Hey guys, welcome. Stop picking your nose.
I wasn't picking it, I was scratching it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing the FabFitFun fall box unboxing with my sister because I know that these can get a little bit redundant, so maybe this will make it a little bit more interesting.
It's my first time ever seeing even a FabFitFun box, so.
Oh yeah, she's been in Israel for a very long time. So this box is in support of Right Action for Women.
There's pumpkin spice.
There are, I just noticed that also. There are pumpkin spice lattes all over the box. There's scarves, leaves, hearts.
Pens for back to school.
There's some cute things on this box actually.
Acorns!
Oh, acorns too?
Yes.
And an umbrella, even though it never rains in LA. Oh, and a coffee maker thing.
Where's our Keurig,
Coffee
by
press.
the way?
I don't want to talk about it. Anyways, so let's just go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So as you guys know, the top of the box is always equipped with a nice little magazine that tells you what's in the box and it tells you the value of everything in here. I never like to look at this right away because I like to have each thing in the box be a surprise. We have a $50 gift card to HelloFresh, and we have...
Is that a...
What?
Coupon?
Is this a coupon?
Is it a coupon?
This is a coupon. $3 off of a box of Luna bars.
That sounds like my kind of coupon.
The full box is only $50 a month. It's $49.99 for products that value anywhere between $250 to $350, which is insane. Oh, look at the little, it's a little leaf sticker.
It's a maple leaf.
I don't want to rip it.
I was so excited to rip it.
It's not.
Okay, first of all, I'm only in this for like the things that I'm gonna take from her. This is mine. Called it.
No.
Nose goes.
Nope. Nope.
It's
definitely
mine.
not. A Glam Glow bubble sheet mask. This, by the way, I did a first impression on. It's on my channel. I loved the way that it made my skin look, and I'm really excited that that's in here. Really, really. Oh my god! There's a beauty blender. There's a beauty blender.
Oh,
no, definitely not.
I just want to look at it. I have my own. I just opened it.
No, okay, then you don't need to look at it. You know what it looks like.
You're right.
I needed to get a new beauty blender. This is a Luna bar.
So that you could try it before you buy
Rika.
it.
This is the salted caramel nut bar. This is gluten-free, but it is not dairy-free. I'm always curious. Hold on. I'm curious always to see. Okay, there's 170 calories in here. And let's see what the sugar, 16 grams of sugar. So for me, I would not eat this because there's too many grams of sugar in it. When I am looking for protein bars, I want something that's high in protein and low in sugar. So I get bars that are around 1 gram of sugar versus it and has like at least 10 grams of protein in there. Otherwise, it's not worth it.
I do the ketosis diet, and for breakfast, I have Luna bars sometimes, but I only have half. Because like the carb content in it is pretty high. Like this one is 22 grams and it's way smaller than the normal one. So me personally, I also wouldn't buy it just because it's so tiny, and like if I'm already eating half of the bar, I don't want to take one bite.
Yeah, I'm not into it. There's the One bars, they're called One, that I've been really liking recently, and there's a couple other ones that I tend to gravitate towards. So I'll leave some suggestions for protein bars in the box below. Oh, hey, look! You didn't need to get greedy and steal the sheet mask because there's another one in here.
Oh my god, twins.
So now I'll be generous and give you the one that you already stole. You're welcome. Alright, next thing in here are a pair of Bluetooth headphones. I am down for this because my really big Beats headphones, my on-the-ear ones, whenever I'm doing any sort of like planks, any sort of exercise where my head is down, they always fall off of my head. So I'm excited to have ones that are in ear and are Bluetooth also.
So they also pop out. The ones that go really into your ear.
Well, hopefully they don't pop out. I'm going to give them a try.
I just got AirPods, so you can have these, I guess.
Oh, thank you so much for allowing me to have something that belongs to me.
You're welcome. This
is a Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. This is a limited edition bottle. This is the Italian collection. It's closed, so I can't smell it. Let me open it.
What's that?
It just smells...
As someone who's
Alpine Rose,
been to Italy.
Sage, Wild Basil, and Autumn Blossom.
Well, we needed actually a new one because the Dove thing is like not squeaky clean feeling. I like it.
Okay.
It's refreshing.
So we'll test this out in our shower. Next thing in here is a Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream.
I don't believe in day moisturizers. Yes,
Wait, but why don't you believe in moisturizers?
I believe in moisturizers, but not in day moisturizers because they make me feel really oily and I don't like that.
Okay, then you need to get an oil-free moisturizer.
No.
Guys, she doesn't even watch my videos, clearly. Right?
No, that's not Eliana. I tried oil-free moisturizers.
Okay, then you don't need to try this one. I really like this squeezy tube.
Is it oil-free even?
I don't know. I didn't read
Let's
the box
see.
yet. Ooh, it's one of those like pierced toes.
No oil sulfate, no pyrochemicals, no fragrance.
A nourishing, non-greasy facial moisturizer.
I doubt it though.
Without leaving residual oil or shine to the skin. Ha ha.
We'll see.
Anyways, next in here we have the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. I am all about eye creams. Very excited to try this. Moving on. This is a simply whimsical towel.
What kind of, is it kitchen towel?
I think it's a kitchen towel.
My grandmother always told me you can never have too many kitchen towels.
Kitchen towels. Kitchen towels.
Especially because they always get like bleached or burned somehow.
These are cute. And I thought they had a smell, but they didn't. I don't know why they would have a smell. They're cute. They match our kitchen. Alright, next thing in here is a Crown Pro for pros by pros 6-piece brush set. I like these brushes.
What brand?
This is Crown brushes. These, so this is, I don't love this one. This could be fluffier. They're very, very light on the handle. They feel very hollow. I wouldn't love to use these. No, there's not enough weight on them.
They would fall out of my hand.
Yeah, I'm not into these. But this one I kind of like.
Can I have a thinner brush, please?
What do you mean?
A thinner one. Just want to see.
No, you don't do that. That's gross. So the last thing in here is a Alfred But First Coffee French press coffee maker. Which, by the way, yeah, you can put all the trash in here. I have no idea how to use a French press at all. Does anybody know how?
Yeah, I know how.
How do you do it?
Oh, it's cool because it's Alfred. Where's
Yeah.
your box cutter?
It's in the drawer somewhere. So this box was valued anywhere between $285 and $375. The Crown brush set was $75. The Glam Glow Bubble Sheet masks are $18 a piece. You guys all know beauty blenders are $20. The kitchen towels are $15. The body wash is $22. The Luna Bar was sponsored, so they didn't add that into the price. The Alfred French press was $22. The headphones were $40, and the facial cream was $50. Damn. And then the eye cream was $40. That's pretty crazy. So everything in here, that's why I love FabFitFun boxes, is because you really do get such a great value for the money.
Okay, you want to learn now?
What?
Want to learn?
Yeah, how to do that.
You boil water, obviously. Put the water and the coffee in here. You put it on the cap.
Okay.
And then you push this down.
But don't you have to wait before you do that?
Yeah.
Amount of time?
Wait a little bit. You wait a bit, like a few minutes, and then you push this down, and it like sifts through all the coffee. But it'll still have some residue probably at the bottom of the cup.
Ooh, I'm down. I want to try that. So that is it for this fall FabFitFun unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you are interested in getting a FabFitFun box for yourself, I will leave all that information in the description box below. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
I'm excited for this. We should
Bye.
do it together.
You just interrupted my outro. It's fine.
It's okay. Everyone's heard it a trillion times.
Bye.
Bye.